Hello, my dear students. I know all of you are very fine and staying at your home safely and taking good care of yourself. So, today I am here to discuss with you from your subject computer studies, and we are going to learn from the topic from the chapter number 4, which is keyboard special keys. Look, I have tried to draw a diagram of the keyboard on the board so that I can make you understand better with the help of this picture. So all of you first open page number 31 in your book, and here is some things that we will learn about the keyboard. So first of all, you must remember that we have learned about the input devices and output devices in previous classes, and keyboard is an input device. You know that keyboard is an input device. Now we are going to learn about various keys and special keys on the keyboard. Look on the book what it says, that a keyboard is a part of a computer we use for typing. It is an input device. We can see the matching letters, numbers or other characters on the screen when we press the keys on the keyboard. That means if you press the keys means buttons. Keyboard actually contains many buttons, and the buttons on the keyboard is called keys. So it is name of keyboard. So first we will learn about what? Alphabet keys. First comes alphabet keys. ALPHABET, alphabet keys. What are alphabet keys? First, what is alphabet? Alphabet is the letters from which we create the words, sentences, and letters. So, A to Z, A, B, C, D till Z, these are alphabets. But you have learned these letters in a order, in a perfect order. But these letters are not arranged in this keyboard in proper way. In the keyboard, there are keys more than 103 or 4 keys in the keyboard. And among these keys, alphabet keys are 26. You know, A to Z, 26 alphabets there are. So, there are 26 alphabet keys on the keyboard. How many alphabet keys? 26. And it comes in the 3 rows. It comes in the 3 rows. Look, alphabet keys have letters A to Z on them. These keys are used for typing letters, words and sentences. There are 26 alphabet keys. They are arranged in 3 rows on a keyboard in a jumbled way. Okay. So let's see how these letters are arranged in a keyboard. Let's see. Here, the alphabet key starts here. Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O, and P. Okay. Next row. A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, L. And in the next row, Z, X, C, V, B, N, and M. So here it goes. This way 26 letters are jumbled way arranged in the keyboard, and you have to search them and type them to type letters or words. Next comes number keys. Number keys. Number, what is a number? You know, in mathematics we have learned the numbers, and basically 0 to 9 you have to learn 0 to 9 to form any digit numbers. So here is also in keyboard number keys are present, and on both sides, on two types, two part. Look, number keys have numbers 0 to 9 on them. They are used to type numbers. We find these keys at two places on a keyboard as mentioned. On top of the alphabet keys, on the right side of a keyboard. So on the top of the alphabet keys. Look, here starts the alphabet keys. On the top of the alphabet keys means here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. So these are the number keys here. On this side. Here again on the numeric pad. This side is numeric pad. Here also numbers are present. How? Here it is arranged like this. 7, 8, 9 and 4, 5, 6 and 1, 2, 3 and 0. This way the numbers are arranged. You can either use these keys or you can use these keys also to type numbers. Next comes special keys. Special keys. So after alphabet keys, 26 alphabet keys and 10 number keys on the both sides, we are going to learn about special keys. Some special keys. Some special keys help us to do some important tasks on the keyboard while typing. So let's learn about that. First comes caps lock key. Caps lock. It is one of the important keys among the keys. So what is the work of a caps lock key? Look, caps lock key is used to type capital letters only. Pressing the caps lock key once turns it on, and when we can type capital letters, then pressing it again turns it off and we can type small letters. So that means if you want to type capital letters, if you press these alphabet keys, you will type small letters. But if you want to type capital letters, you have to press the capital key, caps lock key. Where is caps lock key situated? Beside the letter A. Here it is. Caps lock key is beside the letter A key, caps lock. The letter, it is also written here, caps lock. You have to press this key. And what will happen then? A green or yellow light will blink here. So that you can understand it is turned on. And when you type then these letters, these alphabet keys, the letter will be written in capital form. And if you then want to write in small letter, then you have to again press the key to turn it off. Then this light will not blink and you will write in small letter. Next comes enter key. Enter key. What is enter key? We use the enter key to move the cursor in the next row. What is a cursor? You know, cursor is a straight line on the keyboard, on the monitor that blinks. White straight line that blinks. And if we want to move the cursor in the next row, then we use the enter. It is also called as the return key. There are two enter keys on the keyboard. Look, here it is. Here, first one is here on the numeric pad. It is also enter key, and here also it is enter key. It is also enter key. Okay, two enter keys are there. Next comes arrow keys. Arrow keys. A-R-R-O-W. Arrow keys. There are four arrow keys on the keyboard. Where? Look. It is up arrow key, it is down arrow key, it is right arrow key, and it is left arrow key. And what are their functions? Their functions are if we want to move the cursor up, then we use the up arrow key. If we want to move the cursor downside, then we use down arrow key. To go on the left side, we use left arrow key, and to go on the right side, we use right arrow key. So these are the function of arrow keys. Next comes delete key. Delete keys. Sorry, key. Only one delete key is there. So delete. Where is delete key situated? Delete key is here. Now, what is the work? What is the function of delete key? If we want to delete some letter or number to the right side, to our right side, then we can use the delete key. Okay. Look, delete key is used to delete characters, letters, numbers, or symbols to the right side of a cursor. To the right side of a cursor, if we want to delete something, then we can use the delete key. And here is also one key that is called backspace key. It is also used to remove the letter, but look, backspace key. Where is backspace key? This one is backspace. The bigger one on the second row. This one is backspace key. Okay. This key we can use to delete characters or numbers to the left side of a cursor. So backspace key we use to remove the letter or number to the left side, and we use delete key in the right side. Okay. Both removes the numbers or keys or letters, but backspace key on the left side of the cursor and delete key in the right side of the cursor. So now today you learned about how many keys? Alphabet keys, number keys, special keys like caps lock key, enter key, arrow keys, and delete key, and backspace key. Next day we will learn about some more keys, and but for today I take your leave, and next day we will learn about the rest of the keys and understand it. Now you must read the book and learn the features of these keys, and there are pictures given in your book, and you look at the pictures and try to understand it. If you want to understand it better, and then when we will do practical classes, you will be able to understand it more properly and more clearly. So for now I take your leave. Take care. Bye students.